In today's video, we're going to walk through how to customize the mobile version of your Wix site without changing anything on the desktop layout. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever checked your site on your phone and noticed that things look really squeezed or misaligned or just a little off, this tutorial is going to make the whole process so much easier. We're going to go over why mobile optimization matters, how Wix separates the desktop and mobile views, and the tools that you can use to clean your mobile layout so it feels intentional and easy to navigate. And at the end, I'll share my honest thoughts on whether Wix is the right platform for responsive design, depending on what you're trying to build. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Wix? Wix is a website builder that lets you create and manage your site using a simple drag and drop editor. You choose a template, customize your layout with text, images, and galleries, forms, and apps, and everything in between. And Wix handles hosting, security, and updates behind the scenes. You don't have to install software or set up your own server. Everything lives inside the Wix dashboard. It's super simple. The platform works on a freemium model, meaning you can build and publish a site for free on a Wix subdomain, and then upgrade if you want features like connecting a custom domain, removing Wix branding, or unlocking advanced tools. Wix also includes an app market where you can add features like e-commerce, bookings, social feeds, marketing tools, and so much more. But one of the biggest conveniences Wix offers, and what we're going to focus on today, is the mobile editor. So if you don't already have a free Wix account, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below and you can get started. Once you click that link, all you have to do is enter your email address and it will prompt you to create a password. You don't even have to put your credit card info in at all. It's completely free. Once you are in, this is kind of what the dashboard looks like. We're just going to kind of start from scratch. So we're going to go ahead and create a new site. We're going to go ahead and skip all of this just for the tutorial. But of course, you can go ahead and customize it completely. And entering in all of this information, which I know I'm skipping, is going to help so much with the design of your website. So this is another cool thing about Wix is you can say what you need and then it will install these things. So maybe you want to get appointments, maybe you want to sell memberships, maybe you want a blog. Okay, so you can click all of this, add and continue, and then it will go ahead and take us to the dashboard. We're going to go ahead and just skip to design site. We're just going to pick a template. So it gives you a couple of options for sites, but you can go ahead and pick whatever feels good to you. So this is what it looks like. Okay, adding the blog like we mentioned. I'm just going to skip this for now. Okay, so as you can see right here, we've got the desktop, and then all we have to do is go ahead and switch to mobile and we can see what it looks like. So this is where what we can do is we can move things around if we want. We can even hide a section. So maybe we want to completely hide this whole section. We can literally click hide section and it disappears, but it does not disappear on the desktop. See how this is still there? So Wix makes it super, super simple. And then you can also see here how the menu is at the top right here, but then it automatically switches it to the mobile menu. If you want to preview, you can see what it looks like. So like I mentioned too, you can, adjust the font if you would like. You can adjust settings, so color, enable vertical text. You can change the alignment if that looks better. If you need to undo anything, we can also do that. You can even add an animation if you want it to fade in, whatever it may be. And again, you can hide it. Okay. So again, it is super, super simple to edit just on the mobile without it actually affecting your desktop app. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of Wix mobile editor is just how intuitive it is. You don't need to know anything about breakpoints, CSS, or responsive design principles. You simply drag and drop elements into place, hide what you don't want, and then adjust spacing until everything looks clean. Because the mobile version doesn't affect the desktop design, you really get that flexibility to experiment and refine without worrying about breaking anything. Wix also saves you time by automatically generating a mobile view for you. Instead of redesigning your site from scratch, you start with a mobile-friendly baseline and only adjust what needs improvement. Full width sections, responsive galleries, and built-in mobile menu options help your layout adapt well across devices. But of course, there are some limitations. The mobile editor doesn't let you add brand new elements that don't exist on the desktop version. You can hide items on mobile, but you can't create mobile exclusive content blocks unless they're already present on desktop. Some non-responsive elements may require adjustments or different design choices to work well on smaller screens. Performance can also be a factor. Sites with many large images or third-party apps may load slowly on mobile, which can affect user user experience. And while Wix gives you a lot of control visually, you don't have access to advanced responsive tools like custom breakpoints or device-specific CSS, which may matter if you're building a more complex website. Okay, now I just wanted to touch on the different plans and pricing options so you're aware. Right now, you actually can save 50% off on selected premium plans. So just as a side note, this isn't going to be here forever, so just make sure you take advantage if it's something you're really serious about. So they've got a couple of options though. They've got the Lite, the Core, the Business, and the Business Elite. The Lite plan is just $17 per month, and with this, you get the Lite Marketing Suite, 2 collaborators, and then 2 gigabytes of storage space. Then the Core plan is usually $29, but it's 50% off, which brings it to $14.50 per month. With this, you get 5 collaborators, more storage space, the updated Marketing Suite. You can accept payments, and then the basic e-commerce. Also, with all these plans, you do get a free domain for 1 year. And there's no Wix branding, of course, on all of the upgraded plans as well. Then they've got the Business plan, and this is usually $39 per month, but right now it's $19.50 per month. With this, you get 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes of storage space, standard Marketing Suite. You can accept payments, and then you also get the standard e-commerce plan. And then lastly is the Business Elite plan, which is usually $159 per month, but it's now $79.50 per month. With this, you get 100 collaborators, unlimited storage, the most advanced Marketing Suite, as well as the most advanced e-commerce, as well as the advanced developer platform. So what's cool is you can grow with it. You can even build your whole site completely for free. Everything that I showed you was on the free plan. You don't need to upgrade your plan until you're ready to get rid of the Wix branding and then add your custom domain. Now, whether you should rely on Wix's mobile editor really depends on your goals. If you're building a site for your business, your personal brand, or a creative project, and you want a quick, non-technical way to make both desktop and mobile look polished, Wix works really well. Being able to adjust spacing, move elements around, and hide sections gives you more control than many beginner-friendly website builders. But if you're designing a large site, need advanced responsive controls, or plan to scale into something with custom development, you may eventually want a platform that gives deeper control over breakpoints and styling. But for most beginners and small business owners, Wix strikes such a good balance between ease of use and customization. It can be super frustrating to spend hours designing your desktop site only to find out that the mobile version feels crowded or just unbalanced and looks weird. The good news is that Wix makes it possible to clean up your mobile view without rebuilding your site. If you want to get signed up with a free plan on Wix, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your very first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.